Welcome all. In this video we will see how to convert a octal number into hexadecimal number and hexadecimal number into the octal number. First we will see how a given octal number can be converted into the hexadecimal number. In this case we cannot directly convert a given octal number into the hexadecimal number. We have to convert first the given octal number into the 3-bit binary number and the binary number into the hexadecimal number by forming a group of 4 bits. Now in this the first example is 125.67. Now we will see how this given octal number can be converted into the hexadecimal number. The given example is 125.67. First we will write the given number as it is. Now we have to write a 3-bit equivalent binary number for each digit in the given octal number. For 1, the 3-bit equivalent binary number will be 0, 0, 1. For 2, the 3-bit equivalent binary number will be 0, 1, 0. For 5, the 3-bit equivalent binary number will be 1, 0, 1. For 6, the 3-bit equivalent binary number will be 1, 1, 0. And for 7, the 3-bit equivalent binary number will be 1, 1, 1. This is how we have converted the given octal number into the binary number. Now we will form a group of 4 bits to get the equivalent hexadecimal number. So in this, the 125 is the integer number and 67 is the fractional number. So we will form a group for integer number in the group of 4 bits in the left direction, and for fractional number we will form group of 4 bits in the right direction. So the first group for the integer number will be starting from this 1, 0, 1, 0 up to this. The second group will be starting from this 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. The third group will starts from this 0, that is 0. We have to form a group of 4 bits, so we have to add 3 more zeros at the MSB position, that is 0, 0, 0. This will be our first group of 4 bits, this will be our second group of 4 bits, and this will be our third group of 4 bits for integer number. Now for 67, which is a fractional number, for that also we have to form a group of 4 bits in the right direction. The first group will start from this one, 1, 1, 0, 1. Second group will start from this one, 1, 1. Now we have to form a group of 4 bits, so I will add 2 zeros at the LSB position. So for 67, the group of 4 bits will be this one and this will be second one. Now we have to write equivalent hexadecimal number. This group will give you 0 as equivalent hexadecimal number. This group will give you 5 equivalent hexadecimal number. This group will give you 5 equivalent hexadecimal number. This group will give you equivalent number as 8, 4, 12, and this one will form 13 as a hexadecimal number, which we represent in the form of alphabets, that is 10 for A, 11 for B, 12 for C and 13 for D. This group will give you 12 as a hexadecimal number, which can be represented as a C. So for this 125.67 we get the equivalent hexadecimal number as 055.DC. This is how we can get the answer as 055 DC. This you can try at your own. Second example. Now next we will see the hexadecimal to octal conversion. In this also we cannot directly convert the given hexadecimal number into octal. First we have to convert the hexadecimal number into the binary by writing its 4-bit equivalent binary number, and then the converted binary number can be converted into a octal number. The example given over here is 3A5 hexadecimal number, which we have to convert into the octal number. Now we will see how this can be converted into the octal number. The given example is 3A5. First I will write the digits in the given hexadecimal number like this: 3A5. Write equivalent binary number, which has to be a 4-bit binary number. For 3, the equivalent binary number will be 0, 0, 1, 1. For A, that is 10, for which the equivalent binary number will be 1, 0, 1, 0. And for 5, the equivalent binary number will be 0, 1, 0, 1. Now this is a equivalent binary number for 3A5. Now we have to form a group of 3 bits. As 3A5 is the integer number, we will form group of 3 bits starting from right to left direction. So the formation of group will start from this one. The first group of 3 bits will be 1, 0, 1. Second group will start from this 0, that is second group will be 0, 0, 1. Third group will start from this 0, that is 0, 1, 1. And fourth group will start from this 1, that is 1, 0, 0. These are the group of 3 bits from which we will get the equivalent octal number. Now we will write the octal number for each of these groups. For 001 we will get equivalent octal number as 1. For 110 we will get equivalent octal number as 6. For 100 we will get equivalent octal number as 4. And for last 101 we will get equivalent binary number as 5. So for 3A5 we get 1645 as a hexadecimal number. This is what the answer is written over here, 1645. Thank you.